In answer to the question, I would just say, because a lot of words were used, I mean, in slavery in America and whatnot, the code position is slavery. Slavery is slavery. I mean, and non-white people are enslaved all over the planet. We come under the slave system called the system of white supremacy, planet-wise. We can't solve this race problem without talking about planet, the entire planet called Earth.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not including the entire planet, you're not solving the race problem. There's no such thing as racism in America. That's a contradiction anyway, because in America, if there was an America, there wouldn't be racism. See, so we're talking about definitions according to the code. America means justice. Africa means justice. Asia means justice. Based on what, Fuller? Based on logic. I mean, you wouldn't have an America without justice, or an Africa without justice, or an Asia without justice. So since justice doesn't exist, what does that mean mathematically? If justice does not exist, and America is synonymous with justice, it means the same as justice. Africa means the same as justice. And Asia means the same as justice. And so if you don't have justice nowhere on this planet, what does that mean mathematically? That you don't have America, you don't have Africa, and you don't have Asia. Well, you say, well, you got places that are called that. Yes, but they're called by incorrect names, because people are not practicing justice anywhere on this planet. So in answer to the question, the way that I would approach it to a Congress or any group or anything like that, I say get the code book and get the words straight first, because you're going to have to start off saying America doesn't exist. That's an idea that everybody should be trying to bring into existence. And also another idea called Africa and Asia. They don't exist either, because African people, Asian people, and American people are people who practice justice. But nobody on this planet called Earth can practice justice in a system of white supremacy, which is the world government of this entire planet. Now, that's either true or false. You can't have justice in the system of white supremacy, which means it's impossible to have a place or a people called Americans, Africans, or Asians on a planet where you have white supremacy.